For medium to large spills, you need greater capacity and a team response. Team coordination ensures a safe and effective cleanup, allowing you to quickly control the situation and minimize downtime. First, ensure all responders are equipped with appropriate PPE such as safety glasses, masks, and gloves. Then, deploy socks to create a containment barrier around critical areas. High-capacity pads can then tackle the bulk of the spill efficiently. Once the absorbents have been used, place them into the dedicated waste bags provided in the kit, followed by secure disposal in the wheelie bin, ensuring full and safe closure of the incident. 120L oil spill kits ideal for ports, storage facilities, large plants. No matter the scale, JXY oil spill kits provide the right, professional solution.